Welcome to a basic lesson in New Mexico geography. In this video, you will learn to identify several geographic features, understand unique features of New Mexico, and begin thinking about how geography affects the way we live. This is an interactive lesson requiring you to draw a map while watching. You have the power. Feel free to put the computer on pause if you need more time at any point to complete a step. The most basic way to do this assignment is with just a regular piece of paper and a pencil. Draw an outline of the state of New Mexico and you're ready. You can also get colored pencils and markers. Do not waste time with a ruler. We don't have straight lines. So go ahead and draw an outline of the state of New Mexico, or print out the map that's provided in the lesson web page. This is the map provided from the lesson web page. The political map contains all the county boundaries and names. I'm using this version throughout the videos because I am a terrible drawer. The county lines help me put geographical features in the correct locations. Drawing maps are a great way to learn geography, even if your maps are not totally accurate or incredibly beautiful. Doing the motion helps your brain remember where things are at in relation to other features. Let's prepare the map first. Put a compass rose in the bottom right corner, with N for north at the top. You can add west, east, and south if you like. Mark the neighbors of New Mexico: Arizona on the west, Colorado on the north, Texas to the east. Both Mexico and Texas are at the south. Texas is on the southeast corner, Mexico is on the southwest corner. New Mexico is the fifth largest state and almost a perfect square. The length from north to south from Colorado to Mexico is 370 miles. The width east to west from Texas to Arizona is 343 miles. Let's mark two more locations on the map for ease of our use. In the top 1/3 of Santa Fe County, I'm putting a star or an asterisk to mark the state capital, the city of Santa Fe. Moving southwest of Santa Fe, I find Bernalillo County. The largest, most populated city in New Mexico is Albuquerque, located in northern Bernalillo County. I'm drawing a green ring to mark Albuquerque. At the bottom of the map, I'll create a legend with the two symbols and write the names of the cities. Remember to press pause if you need more time. The United States has several geographic regions. 4 of these regions all extend into New Mexico. And looking at the larger U.S. map, I cannot find another state that has 4 regions in it. And only Colorado comes close with 3 regions. The 4 regions are plains, mountains, plateau, and basin and range. We'll draw their boundaries in New Mexico one at a time. I'm using a red dashed line to mark the geographic regions. The first region we'll mark is the Plains region. Start at the Colorado border in Colfax County. Slope south and slightly west to the San in San Miguel County, and from there go directly south to the Texas border. The Plains region covers the eastern 1/3 of New Mexico. In the northern plains, in Union and Harding counties, we'll find cattle and sheep ranching. Further south, the plains are used for dry farming, with some irrigated farming. Dry farming means relying on rainfall for water for the crops. This map shows the green area is the plains region for the entire United States, which looks like it is the largest portion of the United States. The plains extends north from Canada through Texas in the south. from the western states of Montana, Wyoming, Colorado, and New Mexico, all the way to the east of the Mississippi to Michigan, Indiana, Ohio, and even a tiny bit of New York State. This is huge, and New Mexico shares a portion of the plains. Next, let's add in the mountain region. Go back to the sun in San Miguel County. Draw your line westward, passing just under the city of Santa Fe, then curving north around the tiny county of Los Alamos. Go north to the Colorado border. The mountain region includes Taos and Los Alamos counties, most of Mora and Colfax counties, and part of Rio Arriba, Santa Fe, and San Miguel County. It's not a large portion of New Mexico, but it's very pretty. This is the mountain region in the United States. Our mountain region is part of the larger mountain region called the Rocky Mountain region. The Rocky Mountains start up in Canada or extend up into Canada at the northern end. And the southern end is right here in New Mexico. Great for us because it means serious skiing and snowboarding in the wintertime. Woohoo! Okay, let's draw in our last regional boundary line. We're creating the plateau region next. Put your marker under the city of Santa Fe. Draw westwards and south to Albuquerque, south through Valencia County, south through the middle of Socorro County. At the southern border of Socorro County, aim your pencil for the name Sierra. Once at Sierra, draw west, going through the name of Grant County. Everything to the west of the line you've just drawn and to the mountain line that you had drawn previously is Plateau region and is actually called the Colorado Plateau. The following counties are entirely in the Plateau region: San Juan, McKinley, Cibola, Catron, and almost all of Sandoval. Mesas, the flat top mountains that you learned about back in elementary school, are common features in the Plateau region. The Continental Divide also runs through the Plateau region. The green area is called the Colorado Plateau and includes the Grand Canyon, among other incredibly beautiful formations in Utah. It sort of looks like a heart on its side. The interesting part about the Colorado Plateau is its ancientness, over 500 million years old, up just sitting there. The Rocky Mountain region to the east of the plateau was formed by volcanoes. The basin and range area to the west and south was due to changes in earthquakes and shifts in tectonic plates. The Colorado Plateau, once formed, stayed the way it was. Its unique shapes are due solely to erosion, wind and rain against the rock over millions and millions of years. It just wore away. This last section is already drawn. It's the basin and range. It is the middle of the state heading south. The features of the basin and range are like the letter U. The sides of the letter U are mountain ranges, and the bottom of the letter U is the basin. The Rio Grande River runs through one of these basins. The basin and range region also occupies 1/3 of the area of New Mexico. Most of the area is great farmland if irrigated. As you can see from the green area on the map, the basin and range is far bigger than just New Mexico, extending from Texas in the south all the way up through all of Nevada and portions of California. Sometimes the basin and range might be high desert like Luna County and Hidalgo County, or like the low desert of Arizona. Well done on creating your regions. Go on to New Mexico Geo Part 2 and add rivers, the lifeblood of New Mexico, to your map.